Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Chanel, and as you can see by the title, it is a mystery box unboxing of a ColourPop Black Friday mystery box, you guys. I know I said that kind of weird. Should I do it again? Let's get into this video, you guys. I've been fiending to open it and I did not open it for the sake of this video because I love you guys. So let's open this mystery box from ColourPop, and I got it on a Black Friday. This is the Black Friday mystery box. I paid, let me get into how much I paid for this mystery box. So the mystery box, the Black Friday mystery box was $53. That's including the shipping and everything, you guys. So I spent $53, okay? So let's open this ColourPop box because I'm so excited. Y'all know I love new makeup. So, and the mailman took forever to bring it. So let's get into this box, you guys. And oh, before we get into this box, I just want to tell you guys, like, I won 2 giveaways already for this year, and I'm just so happy, y'all. The giveaway that I won, this giveaway right here, is with ColourPop. So I'm just so happy that I won all these 6 eyeshadow palettes and the Shocking Vault, I guess it was. And then I won a Chara's giveaway. My girl, that's my girl. What's up, Achara? Shout out to her. I hope I'm saying her name right. And she sent me a whole bunch of stuff, you guys, like literally. Okay, Achara, yeah. So I won 2 giveaways already, y'all. So I'm just so excited. I just feel extra lucky. You know what I'm saying? Because y'all understand, makeup is expensive, and I got 2 kids, and I already told y'all this, so let me not even get into that. Let's get into this mystery box, ColourPop. I've been trying to shake it all day. I hope, oh my god, I don't know what's in it. I did not open it at all, you guys. So then I have another unboxing. Oh my god, I got so much stuff to unbox. My videos needs to come rolling out. I don't know why I'm taking so long to edit, you guys. All right, so let's get into this ColourPop box. Let me go get the scissors. I'll be right back. Whew. Okay, you guys, so I got the scissors. Let's open this baby up and see what's in the Black Friday mystery ColourPop box. And again, I paid $53, and that's with shipping and everything. But I'm from New York. I'm from Brooklyn, so I don't know. You guys ready to see what's in the ColourPop box? Oh, that's so cute. ColourPop with heart from California. It's from California. I never been there. Shout out to my girl Anna. She's from California. That's my girl. So let's get into this box. I already see. Let me stop playing. I don't see nothing. Okay. Ooh. I don't even know what none of these things are, but I'm just excited. So I'm gonna give y'all a little peep. Okay, so it looked like I got the Malibu Barbie set, because here we have, and everything is well packaged, you guys. I just want to see if it's worth $53. Mind you, the value is supposed to be $150 worth of product you're supposed to get from this $43, I believe, box. So we're gonna count this to see if we got our money worth. Okay, so this is the Malibu Barbie ColourPop, I guess, the collection. And this looks fine. I hope it's like good colors for my skin complexion, you guys. You know how I'm funny. So let's see. Oh, look at that box, you guys. Did I show you? Malibu Barbie. That is beautiful. Don't mind my nail. One of them broke. I gotta take it off. And don't mind the makeup on my shirt. So that is pretty. Look at that. Oh, Malibu Barbie. Let's get into it. And oh, it's a pretty old eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, it's so pretty, you guys. Look at the colors in that. Oh, this is beautiful. This is really pretty. I love this. The colors are nice. So this is like a little eyeshadow palette. Let me see if I can show it to you guys more. And that's beautiful. So we have that. Let's put it back in our little box and put it to the side. Then we have a Hello Kitty Hawaii Honey Pressed Powder Blush. Ooh, you guys, I love some blush. Let me show you guys the Hello Kitty. And she is beautiful. Like the package, let me tell y'all, I never got any makeup from ColourPop, so this is my first box from ColourPop. And their packaging is like A1. I'm not gonna lie, okay? Like, let's get into that. So, hold on, you guys. Let me get into this box because I could rip it open like a little big kid. Ooh, this is so cute, you guys. Oh my God, Hello Kitty. I love Hello Kitty. Oh my God, it looked like they knew my color and everything, you guys. Look at that. I think they knew I was dark skinned. How they do that? And I be watching other unboxing and it's like they be sending them the perfect colors to match them. I think they try to find us on Instagram, you guys. Cause what? That's beautiful. Okay, that's really, really pretty for my skin complexion. I'm loving it already. How about you? Give this video a like, comment, and make sure you subscribe to my channel because we're gonna be doing more unboxings like this, you guys. And this is like kind of fun, not knowing what's in the box. At first, you know, I'm so controlling. I want to know what's in the box before I get here. But the mystery box, let's see and continue to see if that's worth it. I'm gonna look at the prices to see everything add up. But I like it so far. And we still got a lot more stuff in here. So that's 2 things already. So now it looked like we have another eyeshadow palette, right? What is this, you guys? Yup, it's an eyeshadow palette. No, it's a pressed powder palette. So that's an eyeshadow palette as well, right? So I couldn't wait to open this with you guys. So, oh, this is pretty too. Like, that is really pretty. Did I show you guys the box? I'm sorry if I didn't. So look at those colors, you guys. That eyeshadow palette, this is the second eyeshadow palette that I got with this mystery box. And it's giving, okay? So let's go see something else, you know. Okay, I want to pick the good stuff. The hand mirror. I think I'm going to give this to my daughter because it's so cute. Or should I keep it? It's little. I saw this in the last mystery box, I believe. So, yeah, I got one. I already have like a mirror from Morphine, but you know, another mirror won't hurt, okay? It won't hurt. So did I show y'all this? Okay, so now we have another eyeshadow palette. They're giving a lot of eyeshadow palettes in this Black Friday mystery box, you guys. So, yeah. Okay. Ooh, another pretty palette. I hope y'all seeing it right. It's so beautiful. Come on, focus, phone. Yes, focus, yes. So that is really pretty, you guys. That's cute. So we got a couple more stuff in here. And pretty much that's done. I don't know if you guys want me to swatch something for you. I could do a little swatch right now if you want. Ooh, it feels real buttery already. Look at that blue. in this color pop club. What is it? Cabana Club, I think. Yeah. So that is a really pretty blue, you guys. Like, ooh, okay. And then the purple. And you know they're known for their shimmers. This shimmer is giving right here. So this is just a little swatchy of what is looking like. Very pigmented, in my opinion. Was it worth $50 something? We don't know yet. Okay, let's continue and maybe we can tell. Okay. I see something. What I see, a cheek dewy sunburst. Okay, so I guess this is like liquid blush. Definitely like liquid blush. And what is this? Liquid lipsticks. And this is like basically lippies now. So we're gonna get into the lippies. Y'all know I like a good lippies, but I feel like I don't need no lippies. I have a lot of lippies. Okay, so this is cream blush. Okay, and this is not a bad color for my complexion. I'm not gonna lie. But I don't know. We're gonna have to see about that. You know, we're really gonna have to see about that. So we got a blush. Okay, and they're pretty small. This one is called Bubbles. So that's what that name is called from that blush. And we got Powerpuff Girls. And that's so crazy because I love me some Powerpuff Girls. Like, I'm 28, so you know this is around my time. Powerpuff Girls. It's so cute, but I'm gonna have to pass and give it to my daughter. Yeah. So it could also go as good gifts for kids or, you know, somebody that wear makeup. It's a really good gift. So I'm going to give this to my daughter because she's 10 and I know she will love, even though this was my favorite girl right here. The mean one. That was me in school. But yeah, we're not going to get into that. So we got that. Then we have some liquid lipstick. And y'all know I'm just a gloss girl. I am not a lipstick girl. So we gonna see how this go. Oh, it's dark too. Oh, people be trying to put me in this. I don't know. Should I give it a try right now? Oh, it's like real. I don't know. This is a swatch of it right here. A little too dark for me. I don't know. Might give it away. Might not. If it's a nude in there, I'm definitely loving that nude. You know what I'm saying? Because it feels really creamy and velvety. So yeah, this is the ColourPop Luxe Velvet. Okay, and we still got a couple more things. Let's not get it twisted. So this one is Honey Pie. Ooh, I don't think I'm gonna like this one. Is red. And once it's red, I don't really do red. I don't know why. Oh, it's not red. It's beautiful. It's pretty. I could do this, y'all. I could definitely do this. Cause I don't know. It's lipstick. This one is not really showing off on my skin though. Let's just give it a little swatch. Oh, yes it is. I'm lying. Interesting. But yeah, we're gonna get into that because you know I'm gonna make a video on this. So let me hurry up and finish this so we can be done because this is 11 minutes. I ain't trying to edit for long. Then we got this Lizzie McGuire. I remember Lizzie McGuire. So we got this little lip gloss right here, and I might keep this. I'm not gonna give this to my daughter because yeah, I love Lizzie McGuire. So that's gonna stay for me. And then we got two other things, you guys. Comment below if you guys think this box is worth it or no. Do you guys think this box is worth it? Okay, now we got the Color Pop sticks. I don't know what this do though. What do it do? Color sticks. I don't know what it's for. Let me see. I don't know. Color sticks. Oh, I don't know. It probably like you could draw. Ooh, it's like, ooh, you could put this anywhere probably, yeah. So this is a drawing of the shade sticks. The color sticks. I don't know what is this for. Eyeshadow, I don't know what they for. I don't know. But I just messed it up. Look what I did, y'all. I'm always doing something. But yeah. So we got that. I don't know. But it's gonna be for my waterline. Y'all know. I use it for anything. And this is another one. And like another shade, which is like a velvety kind of, this is it right here. That's cute. So in my opinion, was this Color Pop box worth it? Absolutely not. I think, right? Well, I guess for how much stuff, I feel like I want to pick what I want to pick. You know, I'm very picky. And if I'm spending $53, I want the eyeshadow. No, the eyeshadow palette is not bad. But the lippies was too much. I feel like they could have switched it up and put some shocks in there. You know, some other stuff. I don't know. But you guys, I don't know. Comment below if you think this was worth it. I'm going to add it up and leave it in the description. Was it worth it or not? Everything will be linked down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Bye.